This is the second of my little videos about interesting components and having a close look at them. I call it component close-up. Number 2 is the Servo Pot. Here is a Servo Pot. Now you might wonder what's special about a Servo Pot. You may have seen ordinary pots of this sort of size, which are standard things that you can buy very cheaply. Turn the knob and the resistance varies. There's the 3 terminals. What's special about a Servo Pot? Well, this Servo Pot is designed to have a very low friction. This spins very freely. It spins continuously. It doesn't have an end stop. So it's able to go all the way around. Now the track doesn't quite go all the way around. There's a little gap in it, but the mechanical movement of the thing has no end stop. It's got the same 3 terminals as we'd expect for a pot. That's absolutely standard stuff. But on the back we can see that it is a little bit more sophisticated. It's got down here a serial number, 4967. It's marked with resistance. This is a 1.5k. It's got a tolerance of the resistance of 5%, but the linearity is 0.1%. So we don't really care much about the resistance value and tolerance. What we care about is the linearity. That is, how accurately does the rotation track the resistance value? And the answer to that is it's within 0.1%. And not only do we get the serial number, we also get, as proof of that, the calibration certificate. And this is the calibration certificate for this particular pot. There's the serial number there, 4967. There's the parameters, the linearity and the nominal resistance. But we've also got a little, I don't know if you can see that, near to the central 0 mark, which is the precise resistance that we expect at that rotation as a pot. And the limits there, you've got 0.1 and plus and minus 0.1%. A little green line going around there. There it goes all the way around. As this thing has been calibrated, it veers off a little bit. So now we're not quite accurate, not perfectly accurate, but we're still within the 1.1%, still within 1 part in 1,000 of the correct value of resistance for that amount of rotation. And then it veers back on again, and now we're back down to the 0 point. So you get an individual calibration certificate for this particular pot. It comes with it, folded up in the box. And when you fit the pot to your device, you know that the correspondence between resistance value and angular position is within 1 part in 1,000, 0.1%. So there we have it. That's the Servo Pot. They're usually quite expensive. They normally have this kind of fitting where there's really nothing to get hold of here. It's just a round thing. It has screw fittings. There's a groove round here. I think that's to make a precise, this is a metal, precise metal outer casing. I think that the slot is there to help mount it precisely in the device that you want to measure. So there we have it, Servo Pot. Watch the next video, which will be about some other interesting component shown in close-up.